Okay, I'm back to another video. Today is my birthday. Yeah! I'm just kidding, it's not. This is my birthday and a sad day because my birds left. And I'm very sad about that. So I'm just trying to cheer up. And I have lots of stuff to do, like editing and stuff, but that's not until I get reach 20 videos. So all my videos are not going to be edited yet. But I'll still make videos because it's fun. And the more you make videos, the more you get to be on YouTube. So, yeah. One video is, I don't think one video is just $1. It's just weird. Like, where does the money even come from? That made me move. I got scared. What was that? I was coming from upstairs. Stay. Well, you can't move because you're watching the video, so I'll be right back. Back. It was just my brother doing it. I had to waste half my whole video doing that. I got so mad. Oh, that's almost it. But one thing before I got this video. Candy. Oh, yeah.